Hey there! Are you fed up with the constant headaches caused by your troublesome septic tank? If you're nodding along, then listen up, because we've got something that's about to change your life and save you a pretty penny in the process. Imagine a world where you no longer cringe at the foul stench emanating from your yard, where you don't have to fork out hefty sums for emergency repairs, and where you can finally breathe easy, knowing that your septic system is in top-notch condition. Well, my friend, that world is within your grasp, thanks to Septifix. Let's talk real-life stories. Picture John from Los Angeles, California, who once felt embarrassed by the overpowering odor wafting from his failing septic tank. But after discovering Septifix, he's now the proud host of backyard barbecues and family gatherings, all without a whiff of that unpleasant smell. And then there's Kathy from Stowe, Vermont, who used to dread the thought of shelling out big bucks for frequent pump-outs. But ever since she started using Septifix, those worries are a thing of the past. With Septifix, she's saving both time and money, all while enjoying peace of mind. But what sets Septifix apart from the rest? It's simple. Septifix tablets are packed with a powerful combination of aerobic bacteria strains that work tirelessly to break down organic sludge and eliminate harmful pathogens. And with their unique oxygen-releasing formula, you'll notice a rapid improvement in odor control and overall system performance. But here's the kicker. For a limited time, you can grab Septifix at a discounted price and say goodbye to septic tank woes for good. So why wait? Click the link in the video description box to learn more about Septifix and start enjoying a cleaner, healthier, and happier home today. To learn more about Septifix and save yourself a small fortune, see the link in the video description box for more details.